Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a classic wing liner. This is for beginners, so if you're interested in how I achieved this look, then just continue to watch. Alright, so this is my eyes without any liner, guys. Very plain and simple. So I'm going to go in with my Quo Beauty Liquid Precision Marker. This has been my go-to as of recently. You can use the NYX Epic Ink. I would say that's similar to this one and affordable as well. So I'm going to show you guys pretty much, like, this is like regular time how I do my liner. So I like to start off just creating a line on my lash band. So right above my lash band, I just like to create a thin line, and then I go in by creating the wing. So I just, depending on how far I want to go out, and then I put the pen in the middle of that line and just pretty much bring it down towards the middle of my lash line and fill in if I have to. And from here I do any other kind of like lining and just making sure that everything is as good as I could get it, guys. Liner is not perfect. So I'm doing the other eye in slow motion for you guys. So like I said, I like to just create a thin line right above my lash band. And this takes time. I would recommend just pretty much dragging the pencil along the lash band. You can work in sections as well. I do that sometimes as well. So you can work in sections, but the goal is pretty much just to create a nice thin line across the upper portion of your lashes. So next you want to create your wing, and I would suggest starting from where your lower lash line is, that corner at the bottom, and just dragging the line upwards. And that's going to be your wing. Alright, so after you create your wing, you want to just start in the middle of that line and pretty much just drag it down to connect it to your bottom lash line. And from there is when you fill in the area that needs to be filled in, and pretty much from this point you're just doing bits of touch up just to make that liner come out perfect. It's very easy, guys. So, and of course you can make the liner as thick as you want it to be. So now I'm just gonna apply some mascara, and that's pretty much it, guys. It's a very, I would suggest practicing, because honestly when I started it wasn't easy, but it's very easy once you practice and get the hang of it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave your comments down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.